Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, and those who are new, hi, this is Riti Mukta. I'll be really happy if you'll take a moment and subscribe to my channel. And as you can see, I have created this beautiful look today. So if you guys wanna know how I created this look, then without any further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. I have applied moisturizer and sunscreen before applying any makeup on my skin. And now I'm gonna spray the Miracle Pore Minimizing Mist from Colorbar on my skin. You guys just look at the packaging. Looks so expensive. Oh my god, I just love it. I'm super duper impressed with the packaging and how it looks. My goodness. Right now I'm spraying the mist all over my face. Also letting it air dry. Once it's completely dry, we're gonna proceed further. And right now I'm using the Sugar Illuminating Primer, applying it all over my face. And now I'm gonna blend it into my skin with the help of my fingers. As you can see, you guys can clearly see the instant shine it gives. And for concealer, I'm gonna take the one from Chamber, and I'm applying it on the areas where I do wanna highlight my face more. And with the help of a damp beauty blender, I'm gonna blend the concealer into my skin. It's time for foundation, guys, and I have taken the Sugar BB Cushion foundation, and this is how from the inside it looks like. The sponge applicator is also really great. I absolutely love the packaging. Right now I'm blending the foundation into my skin with the help of the sponge. I have taken the Makeup Revolution contour stick to define my face feature more, applying it where I want to contour my face and blending it with the help of a flat brush like this. To set my base, I have taken the mattifying compact from Sugar, applying it all over my face just to set the base. And right now I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution setting spray, and I'm gonna spray that all over my face. Once we're gonna spray it over our face, whatever compact we have applied, it's gonna help it to melt it down into our skin, and it's gonna give us a very flawless look. And now we're gonna move into our eye makeup. For that, I have taken the Nicka K Birthday Cake palette. First, we're gonna use this shade from the palette, and I'm applying it only on the crease. And now I'm gonna use this shade from the same palette, and I'm only applying it on the end corner of my eyes. And right now I'm using the concealer, as I'm gonna create a cut crease look today. If you guys wanna know how to create a cut crease look, click on that I button to watch the video. And now we're gonna use this shade from the same palette, and we're gonna apply it just above the concealer that we have applied before. Right now I'm touching it up just to make sure nothing is faded and everything is looking fine. And right now I'm gonna take this shimmer shade from the same palette, and I'm gonna apply it on the very center of my eyes just to pop that up. And right now I'm gonna apply the green shadow under my eyes too. For eyeliner, I'm gonna take the Nykaa Metallic Liquid Eyeliner. So as you can see, I have created a wing liner, also pointed inner corner look. For my eyebrows, I have taken the one from Blue Heaven, and that's gonna define our brows like magic. With the help of some concealer, I'm correcting the brows. And it's time for mascara. I have taken the Nykaa Curl Mascara. I'm applying it on my upper and lower lashes. And now we're gonna apply some blush on our cheeks. And now it's time to highlight our face. For that, I have taken the Makeup Revolution highlighter. For my lips, I have taken the Lotus lipstick, and it's a very neutral peachy shade. I absolutely love the shade. And you guys, this is the final look. You can see how pretty this looks. I absolutely love how it turned out. It's so simple, yet it looks so elegant. You can see. Wow, right? It's so easy. You guys can easily create this look. I'm sure that definitely you guys gonna recreate this look, and let me know if you do so. And you can comment below if you wanna give any suggestion about where I'm wrong or what I can do better. I will definitely appreciate everything. Thank you. And you guys, I love you. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you guys learned something from it. Also, you liked it. If you guys want to know about the products that I used, then I'll definitely provide the link of the products that I used in the description box, so you guys don't worry. And you guys also can follow me on Instagram, and the link is in description box. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also click on that bell icon so that you'll never miss any of my video. that I post. Also, stay tuned for such amazing videos on my channel. Also, I do post some makeup videos on my Instagram. So yeah, check that out, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye.